Hello, it's Rhonda Chapman, Marketing Communicator in Western Australia. How's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Amazon.com, not for shopping, but for researching wording for your blog post or your video content, social media content, or even the websites when you're doing research to find out what kind of words to put, what to talk about, and so forth. What matters the most to people who are buying your products or services. But let's say today that we're selling products, and let's say my product is cleaning mops. Okay, let's jump onto Amazon.com. So what I would do is first I would think about the broader keyword, which would be, let's say, cleaning mops. Because I don't usually sell mops, so I'm not very familiar with all the types of mops or the brands. Okay, so I'm just gonna today just to show you examples. Okay, so let's say I've come up with this research results, the search results here, and let's say Swiffer is similar to what I'm selling, and I will look first at the number of reviews, and this one has 1700 something, so I will click on that and jump straight to the reviews and see what people are saying about the product there. So we're pretending that this is the same type of product that I'm selling on my website, and I want to write blog posts about the product. I'm not going to go through the description that the seller has put there because I don't want to copy what they're putting there. I'm not interested in that. I'm interested in what people are saying about the product, whether it's positive or negative, so I can see if there's a topic there that would resonate well with my readers. Okay. First, we could jump here to the customer questions and answers if it exists for the product you're after. Okay, so here we can get some questions that we can hopefully use as a blog topic. So first question says, is this durable? Is this portable? Can you collapse the boomstick to make it easier to transport? So I can talk about that on my own page, in my blog post, or in my video, or on Facebook, whatever I'm researching about, and just do the same thing but answer it in more details. This person here just said yes, it is durable, and this is being answered by other users, usually not the seller. It will be other users. Okay, are the wet pads washable? So there's another topic I could have written about: how to wash the pads that come with your mop, or how not to wash them if you're not supposed to, if they're just, disposable. Can you replace the wipes with other similar microfiber? So that's another topic I could talk about. Does it work well on ceramic tile and grout? I'm not really interested at this stage in this question and answer spot about the answers. I'm more interested in the questions, because then I will go and write it my way on the blog post or in the video or on Facebook. Then the second part is I could jump down to the reviews and look at what people are saying. So there is what other things that are important to people so that I can get the topic. So for example, in this one here, it's saying, it seems to me they make more money with the refills, but this person seems like they're the type of person that tends to they will use heavy duty paper towels, it says here, to use with their mops. So I can write a blog post about the different types of paper towels you could use, the different solution. Let's say you've run out of the refills. What do you do today? Do you not clean? Can you use a towel? Can you use paper towel? Can you use a tea towel? So that's a blog post or a video I can do. Other person also looks like they're doing the same thing. They're talking about the refills to save money. So that's the same topic. We could scroll down. They're talking about being ripped off on refills. So they buy the dry and wet packs. So another person who finds that it's cheaper to use paper or other stuff. Similar, yeah. Don't need to get the bucket out. So what is it saying here? Mops it together. The wipes onto the stick is long enough to be able to reach underneath. So this is something that if I was writing the description for my product on my website, or I'm promoting the product and showing it off in a video, I will mention the stick is long enough to be able to reach underneath. So I can show in a video how you can do that, because in some cases the stick might be too short and you have to like get down on your knees and do stuff. So that's one thing that you could write about. So I can keep scrolling and finding the different topics that people are talking about. All right, so this is Amazon.com. If I wanted to let's go back up and do a search for something else. Let's say, I don't know, I'm promoting microphones, let's say for singing. Okay, let's just jump straight to that, and you can do the same thing. Wait for the Telstra. Yep, okay, microphones. This one has, yeah, dynamic. Let's say I was selling a similar microphone, so let's jump into there and look at the comments. Answered questions 312. So I can open that if I wanted to look at the questions first. Horrible microphones, I see it says there, but okay, let's just look up here. Can you plug it into a speaker? This has the male plug. It may require an adapter. So there, if I was writing about this and I thought it was important for people, I could write a blog post about it. Can it just be used as a regular mic? It needs to be plugged into some kind of amp. So if it looks like it's a bit complex, then I would do a video maybe and talk to people about how to connect the microphone and things like that. All right, so that's one place that I would recommend to do some browsing and find some topics if you want to talk about your products in blog posts or on Facebook or in a video. So just go on Amazon and see what people are saying, because these are real reviews, and you will find reviews that are negative, find reviews that are positive, and sometimes it's better to look at the negatives and turn that into a positive for your business. All right, so thank you so much. It's Rhonda Chapman. It's a pleasure to be showing you all the techniques I use and tactics when finding content for business writing. Thank you so much. Visit my Facebook page, find me, Rhonda Chapman, or pop over to my website, rhondachapman.com.au/blog for some free resources there. Thank you so much.